everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with another unboxing for you. This is a cool one. It feels like there's a bunch in here. I don't know what makes it cool. Don't ask me specifics. Okay, there we go. There's definitely a bunch in here. Look at all these toolkits. 1, 2, 3, 4 toolkits. They all have this standard green boat, pink wax, single placer pen, tweezers, and some bags. Oh, these are part of my small canvas experiment. Oh, I can't wait to do these and see how they come out. Look, they're all rolled together. How nice. They're in really good shape. Rolled up around a foam core. That's empty. Got a couple rubber bands here. Okay, let's see what we got here. I have a whole series, these 3 of 20 by 25 full drill round music notes. And I have some treble clefs with the little notes. No, those are bass clefs, and one's turned around so that it's like a heart. Here's the treble clef with some notes. You see that? And these are just notes. They look like a little tornado. And then this one is flowers and butterflies. This one goes with some small 20 by 25 that I unboxed earlier. This is one company makes these adorable little ones. I'll put all the links, there's 2 links in the description. And these are ones where you follow the link and there will be like 9 or 12 images to choose from. And they're all small, so I can't wait to do these and see how they come out. My idea is that the small diamond paintings are going to come out okay as long as there's not too much detail. If you take a large picture with a lot of detail and shrink it down to a small size, it's not going to look good. There's too much detail. None of it's going to show up. If you take a medium-sized picture and blow it up to be big, it's going to be all pixelated. That's just how images go. If you've worked with pictures, you know. Okay, this is like the other ones where the printing on the canvas is kind of faded. Like the yellow is very, very pale yellow. It's these beautiful flowers with a couple little butterflies. But the drills are not faded. And the drills are what you see, not the picture on the canvas. So this one doesn't bother me at all. Oh my gosh, so cute. Again, 20 by 25, full drill round, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 colors in this little one. And this goes with the other series of flowers that I bought. My thought is that I will frame them all together. Now peel up all 4 corners. I think I did this one, but I'm doing it again. It releases the canvas and allows it to lay flat. Wow, that's nice. All right, where's the drills? Here's the drills. There's an inventory sheet. I will do all the inventory off camera and I'll put it in the description if any were missing. I've been having pretty good luck. There's some very pale yellows and very pastel colors. Now this is my music note series. I love these. I thought they were really cute. I'm a little worried about all the notes though, you know. Let me see how they look on the canvas. Because if a note is just like 1 pixel wide, 1 drill wide, I don't know how that's going to come out. Again, it's very faded. No, they're, I don't know. This is why it's an experiment. I really am going to do these soon. These are nice little filler projects between all my big ones that I'm doing. Is anybody else like me? Like, I have trouble working on one project for very long. I have like 4 that I've started. And I kind of skip around. Here's the drills. I'm trying to see inside. This one's got like some weird colors, like lime green. I don't want to open it up, but you can see some of the colors in there. I'm not too sure about that one with all the little notes. That may be just an exercise in diamond painting. But it may look good with the other 2 also. Oh, I like this one. This is a treble clef. Look how beautiful that is. I'm going to put the pictures up for each one of these so you can see. Get this all peeled up and smooth. If I work hard, these should be done in like a week. Problem is getting to them. I have so many others that I'm working on. Here's another one. I liked this company. It had a lot of these small images. So here's my thought. If this was a part of a larger canvas, it would look fine, I think. We'll find out, won't we? Wow, that's a big area of white there. Look at all that white. I may dig out my multiplacer. It's such a tiny diamond painting. What am I worried for? That is cool. I really like this one with the base clefs turned around so that it looks like a heart. That's this one that I just did. Again, I'll put the picture up. So you can see these are very simple, very small. I'm really excited to see how these come out because that'd be a nice thing to have just a trio of music notes up on the wall. And I think I'll take one stretched canvas and paint it and mount all 3 on one stretched canvas. I may actually have to measure stuff. That's it. Hey, you guys, if you're enjoying my videos, take a minute and subscribe. And if you tap on the little bell image, you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Thank you so much for joining me. I just love diamond painting. I love the people in diamond painting. And I'm having so much fun with it. And I really appreciate everyone's support. You have a great day. Happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye. She thinks she's a cat. You have your leash on. You have your coat on. Are you wrapped up in it too? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. She's so worried she's gonna be left.